Good day to all Hong Kong employers. My name is Joanne Elevado Tenco from Palinlang, Arayat, Pampanga, Philippines. I am 35 years old, single, have one child, one boy, age 8 years old. My father's name is Willie Tenco and my mother's name is Emilia Tenco. I have one brother, age 40 years old, and two sisters, age 37 and 33 years old. I am Christian. I am a college graduate and I took up hotel and restaurant services. My hobbies are cooking, cleaning, and taking care of children. I have experience here in the Philippines as domestic helper for 4 years. I serve 5 members of the family, 2 adults and 3 children, aged 7 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. My main duties to my employers here in the Philippines are taking care of young children, assisting them to their daily needs every day, prioritize their health and safety, and I know how to make them happy, like playing with them, tutoring basic English and math. And I cook their favorite snack and give my full care and attention. I also do household works like cooking, cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, car washing, gardening, and taking care of pets. I want to work in Hong Kong because the employer gives high salary and I want to earn money to support my son's education and to help my family here in the Philippines. To all Hong Kong employers, please choose me because I am kind, honest, trustworthy, responsible, and hardworking. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and follow the rules and regulations until I finish my contract. Thank you and God bless. I hope to see you soon.